In the bustling streets of downtown Kingston, amid the rhythmic calls of vendors and the constant flow of commerce, Syrian bread, or Syrian bun as locals call it, remains a beloved staple at countless bakeries and corner shops. This humble loaf tells a larger story about one of Jamaica's most successful immigrant communities, whose journey from Ottoman persecution to Caribbean prosperity spans more than a century. The story begins in the 1890s when the first waves of Syrian and Lebanese immigrants arrived on Jamaica's shores. Unlike the Chinese, Indians, and Irish who came as indentured servants, these Middle Eastern Christians arrived by choice, though their choice was driven by desperation. At the time, Syria and Lebanon didn't exist as separate nations. Both were part of Greater Syria, controlled by the Ottoman Empire, where Christian minorities faced systematic religious persecution. These early immigrants, primarily from the Mount Lebanon region, saw British-controlled Jamaica as a beacon of religious freedom and economic opportunity. The timing was fortuitous. Jamaica's ambitious Great Exhibition of 1891 had attracted over 300,000 visitors from around the world, including some from the Middle East, who witnessed firsthand the island's bustling economy and trading potential. Word spread through Lebanese and Syrian Christian communities that this Caribbean island offered both safety and prosperity. The earliest Syrian Lebanese immigrants found work in Jamaica's thriving banana industry. But when hurricanes and economic downturns began devastating banana production in the early 1900s, these resilient newcomers pivoted to retail trade, a decision that would define their community's future success. Starting as humble peddlers, they borrowed small amounts from established community members to purchase goods, then walked door to door throughout Kingston's neighborhoods. Jamaican customers appreciated both the convenience and the quality of their wares. As profits accumulated, these enterprising immigrants opened their own shops, many of which remain family businesses today. The community's business acumen quickly became legendary. Despite representing a tiny fraction of Jamaica's population, Syrian Lebanese families came to dominate significant sectors of the island's economy, from retail and manufacturing to tourism and construction. Religious adaptation proved challenging initially. Many immigrants had worshipped in Greek Orthodox churches back home, but found only Anglican and Roman Catholic options in Jamaica. This forced a practical flexibility that would characterize the community's broader integration into Jamaican society. However, their cultural contributions extended far beyond commerce. Middle Eastern cuisine became deeply embedded in Jamaican food culture. Dishes like hummus, kibbeh, tabbouleh, and stuffed vine leaves joined rice and peas and jerk chicken as island favorites. Syrian bread in particular became so popular that many Jamaicans today don't realize its Middle Eastern origins.